All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Nissan Sentra. It is the SV model, beautiful black with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Only 6,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks okay here. Got some stress cracking here, about an inch, 2 inches. Got some more here. This is more like about 6 inches right there. And then it has some road chips here, as you can see them. Boom. That's a late scratch there. It's buffable. Sandable, and then you buff it. Boom. This fender here looks pretty good. This seems to have a little chip, or if you want to call it a heavy scratch, it'll be less than an inch. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tires, right? Which is just at 730. Let's see. Just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tires right here. It's over 730 seconds. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. It looks good. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details on that. Got your AM, FM, CD player, on its own, that good stuff. You got your backup camera, power. You got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 6,355. Pretty much is it. Open up the trunk. It's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear deck lid looks okay. Seems to have a couple of dent here, about 3 inches right here. I'm sure you can see it. It's right here, and it kind of curves out like this. All right. Got a little ding here, about 3 inches as well, right here. Actually, you see it right now, right there. There it is. Oh, right there. That's really about an inch and a half. All right. The rest of the lid has another little ding here, about an inch, no paint off. So your trunk spacing, what that looks like, pretty big and spacious for a small car. We are calling this vehicle frame. Of course, you get your spare tire here with some tools that I did tuck away your owner's manual. Calling this car frame. Seems to have taken a hit here, and this closes, but not great. You know, you gotta mess with it a little bit. So that's why we're calling it frame. Letting you guys know. Maybe there's some frame damage here as well. All right, guys. And it closed. There we go. It closed. And your rear passenger rim, I don't see any curbing on that. Any tire thread is over 730 seconds this quarter. Looks pretty darn nice. This door looks okay. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door looks pretty good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks decent. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing on this one either. And your tire thread, just under 730 seconds. Lights. A working car is on, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Nissan Sentra SV model with only 6,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.